Balers from our basic series are inexpensive and cover the basic needs for waste handling. They are simple and safe to operate and very easy to install. Just plug and press. Fill in your cardboard boxes directly at the waste source. Compress your waste and reduce the volume up to 90%. Inside the chamber, efficient barbs keep down the cardboard and make it easy to fill in more boxes. A green light automatically indicates when the chamber is full. Now all cardboard has been compressed and you can tie the straps around the finished bale. It is easy to tie the straps in front of the machine. Now you can remove the finished bale. You can also compress soft plastic. It is very easy to change the strap rolls as they are placed in front of the machine.